What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Money. We are on the Friday after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, so to speak. Everything is on sale, including stocks and crypto. Guys, we had a real short trading day today on Wall Street, and it ended up down. We're in the red, we're in the negatives by about 2% on the S&P 500 and really about 2% across the board. I think the Dow Jones Industrials lost like 2.5%. And then if you guys are subscribed here for crypto and such, you know that the crypto markets just took a beating today, and they have generally been negative for the last, I don't know, week, month or so. And let's just take a look at a couple of these cryptocurrencies. The big one is Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency out there. And just today, on the 26th of November 2021, we are down 7.5% on Bitcoin alone. That was up to like $69,000 a coin, and now it's down to $54,652 per coin. Shiba Inu, if you guys have been following that, it is over 50% down from its all-time high, and it has lost about 5.5% today. Doge Elon Mars, that is down 12%, and then if you guys are interested in Ethereum, it is down almost 9% on the day. And in general, throughout my app here, almost everything is red. There are a few upsiders, which there always are. There's always something in the green. There's always money to be made somewhere, right? Gitcoin is up 103.61%. So if you guys are into that, then you did pretty well. So what is causing this sell-off in the markets, in the crypto market, in the stock market? And those two are not as separate as a lot of people want to think, because a lot of times when people are invested in one, they may be invested in the other, and it's people that are invested in both of these. And so investor psychology, human psychology, and the like drives trading in similar ways on both of these things, stocks and crypto. So a lot of times when stocks are doing very hot, crypto is doing very hot. And a lot of times when stocks are not doing so hot, the crypto is not doing so hot. But today, what we had learned is that the World Health Organization has come out and said that there is possibly a new type of COVID-19 variant. Remember, we were dealing with the original COVID variants earlier in the year. Then we had the big spike with the Delta variant. Now there is this new variant, and it looks like they might have named it Omicron. I don't know, but it's a new variant that they have discovered in South Africa, and they're concerned that it could be vaccine resistant and that it could be more transmittable and just harder to fight. And so that brings with it the fear for investors that you could have things that happen like lockdowns, like travel restrictions, and just other things that will really put a crimp on worldwide economies, on markets, on people spending money, on consumer confidence. And that's another thing that's not been too terribly hot recently, is consumer confidence, just based on energy prices going up, based on supply chain shortages, labor shortages, for whatever reason that you want to blame labor shortages on, and in general just a not so hot view of the economy, being if you're in the United States or anywhere in the world. And so all these things together are putting negative pressure on stocks and crypto. So what do we do? What do you do? What do I do? And I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, because I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor, and anything I say it's not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold a stock, but this is just what I am doing. And what I am doing is I am buying, because when everything is in the red, when things are going down, this is exactly what Warren Buffett talks about, of being brave when others are fearful. Everyone's selling off, and everyone, some people may be taking profit, some people may be selling at a loss and locking in those losses. But while there is a fire sale out there for Black Friday, there is what looks like to be a fire sale on stocks and crypto. Just today, I have bought some Doge Elon Mars, about another 35 million of those, because I think that has the potential for a pretty solid upside pop at some point. I think that can get those, 300, 400, 500, maybe even 1,000% gain like we saw in the Shiba Inu token earlier, a month or so ago. I haven't bought any SHIB recently. I'm just still letting my house money ride on the SHIB. And then when I get profits from my short-term rentals, I will go ahead and purchase stocks in VTSAX, Total Market Fund, through Vanguard, because that's what I do with that money, is I put that out there. And when I get ad revenue from YouTube, I usually end up buying crypto with it. So while these things are in the red, I am purchasing, and I purchase all the time. I don't really care. Almost all of my purchases are dollar cost averaging type of purchases, where I really don't care if it's way up, if we're in the green, if we're at all-time highs, if we're at all-time lows. But what I really like to do is I like to purchase in the red when things are on sale, because if you guys have followed this channel for any period of time, you know that I say it time and time again, that the markets always go up. The stock market has historically always gone up. The real estate market has historically always gone up. After every single crash, after every correction, after every crisis, the markets have always gone up historically. And now we don't have a lot of history in crypto markets. It's only been around since 2009 when Bitcoin was launched. But from what I've seen so far with the crypto markets, is that they always go up as well. No matter, what happens in the world, what happens in crypto. If China is saying that they are going to ban crypto for the 98th time, the market always goes up. Now, maybe not every single project goes up, maybe not every single day we have an upside, maybe not even every year, but over time, markets have shown to go up. So as long as you guys are investors out there and you're not necessarily traders, like trying to day trade and trying to just get 10% and sell, 10% and sell, but if you guys are invested in this for the long term, you can buy these things at almost any time, at almost any price, hold them for several years, and they will almost always go up. The thing that you all have to be ready for is to be able to see your money go down. You need to be able to visualize before things happen, taking a 10% haircut, a 20% haircut, or a 50% haircut, and not panic selling and locking in your losses. Because this 2% on the S&P 500, that's nothing in the grand scheme of things. When the markets open back up on Monday, we may see that 2% come back, or we may see another 2 or 3% downward pressure to the stock markets. You may see 5-10% come off of the crypto markets. But if you're an investor and you're a long-term, there's really no reason to worry, because you will get back all of these losses plus so much more if you just buy and hold either quality cryptos in stocks, or just a lot of them, such as in a index fund like VTSAX, or if you just hold a lot of individual cryptos, or maybe, just maybe in the future, there will be a crypto ETF that actually buys the spot value of a ton of cryptos, and maybe we can get like a total market crypto ETF. I think that's probably something that's on the horizon. I'm going to do a video on that in the near future, because I think that could literally make the crypto market skyrocket. So guys, I'm going to leave this with you here. If you guys don't have a trading platform yet, consider WeBull. If you click my link down below, you can sign up, deposit $100, get up to $2,300 in free stock. It's instant return on your money without having to really do anything. Remember guys, keep a long time frame on these investments that you guys are investing in. Try not to get sucked into the daily churn, the daily media. If it becomes too much, just turn it off, or put in stop loss orders for you guys to protect the gains that you have. If you cannot watch the value of your accounts fall by 10 or 20%. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below to grow your wealth, increase your success, put you on the road to financial freedom. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, and hit that like button for me for the YouTube algorithm, whether you're brand new here or if this is your first time seeing me. Guys, I appreciate you watching today, and I'll see you in the next one.